How do I hop over this shit, dog? Serio. Fuck. Nah, just kidding. Anyways. That dog was taking a shit. Alright. To those who know the struggle, this is the struggle too. Look. You know? But I'm gonna be posting more videos on haircut tutorials. I'm barely learning myself too, but you know, you guys are gonna see me grow and everything, you know? But if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, before I start, you know, let me tell you guys something. You guys don't have to use these machines. You guys can use any machines you want. You guys can start off with the worst machines, you know, and still get the job done. Thankfully, I was able to upgrade to these machines, you know, and they work way better than what I was working with. If you guys don't know what I was working with, my boys, go check out my other video, bro. I did the first guideline with the skeletons, as you guys saw, and I'm removing that with the magic clips. You guys remember that challenge, the Walmart challenge? Well, I was doing that challenge for like 6 months. You could work your way up, but you'll start looking at machines differently, like how I did, you know. And yeah, I'm barely learning myself too, like I said, but I feel like I'm making great progress. Just like I got a new machine, I promise I will get a new phone to record, or something better to record with, you know. Make sure to flick out, guys, because you don't want to dig into it, because then you're going to make holes in the head, and you don't want to do that, trust me, because sometimes it's not easy to fix, and you gotta go through a lot to fix it, and it's just time that you wasted, you know. Make sure to take your time. A client or whoever you're cutting is gonna appreciate a decent haircut with that you took a while on. We're gonna hit this part with the lever close number 1 guard. Right here is the 1.5 guard, and you know, we're gonna remove some of that bulk. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Make sure to always flick out.
And then with the 2, you know, just finish it off, you know, with the number 2, you know, just to be safe, you know, that you get everything that you need to get. And you know, when you're barely starting, it's okay to like take your time, like get yourself a person that understands, you know, that it's your first, like, that you're learning, and that you're gonna take your time, you know. And I'm pretty sure they'll appreciate a haircut that's nicely done than one that's messed up, you know.
Right here with the lever closed, we're gonna remove that second guideline we made, and it is a half guard. And with the 1 guard lever open, we're just gonna remove that line that I pointed at right there, and flick out always. And with the lever open, we're gonna remove that line that you see right there, and then we're gonna work our way halfway and then all the way open, and it should look something like that. Remember, closed, halfway, and all the way open. And right here, we're just gonna do clipper over comb and remove some of that bulk that you see right there, and bring the comb towards you, and you'll get the best results. And you know, line them up too, so you can look a little crispy, you know, with the barber knife, and your haircut should look like that. His curls really give the haircut an extra look, you know. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. You already know what it is. Playboy Blends in the house. Much love to everybody.